Hi friends, I'm back in my kitchen and today I am making Ina Garten's Bib Salad Green Goddess dressing. It is so fresh, it is great for summer. I like to put it on salads, make it as a dip. It's amazing and it's so easy. So all you do is, I pre-measured everything, but you take 1 cup of good mayonnaise, and I always use Best Foods. Now there is a vegan version of this. You just use vegan mayonnaise and vegan sour cream. So I'm just gonna do that. So I'm gonna put 1 cup of good mayonnaise in the blender, or you can do it in a food processor. I do it in the blender. Then you take scallions, so about 6 scallions. I've already cut the tops off, and you use the white part and the green part, so the whole thing. You just chop it up and put it right in the blender, just like that. There you go. 6 scallions. Then put in basil. Basically, I'll put all the ingredients and all the measurements down below in the video. But it is 1 cup of chopped fresh basil. So I already chopped it, so I'm just gonna put it in there. 1 cup of basil, and oh, you should smell it. It smells so good. It's fresh. And I did cut the ends off the basil. I just bought it fresh, in the store, but I did cut all the stems off. So I just took the leaves off the basil. Okay, then next thing is you put lemon juice. So it's the juice of 2 lemons. Now I already put 1.5 in here to save time. So this is my last piece. I got it right off of my tree. If you didn't see my video, I make limoncello too in the kitchen. So 2 lemons squeezed fresh, right? Lemon juice from 2 lemons, basically. Okay. Then after that, it is, let's see, hold on 1 second. Anchovy paste. Okay, so anchovy paste, we make this Caesar salad with this. It comes in a box. I usually get this at the Italian store, but I think they have it at Ralph's. But it actually, that's the box it comes in, but it's in a tube. It's in a little tube like this. So we're going to use 2 teaspoons of anchovy paste. Not tablespoons, teaspoons, because it's pretty strong. So you just squeeze it out. Just squeeze it out like toothpaste, just like that. I guess I don't know that there's a vegan version of anchovy paste, but look it up at Whole Foods. Good luck with that. I don't recommend it vegan, but that is always an option. Okay, so after the anchovy paste, you have 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, which I've already measured out, and 1 teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper. And you can't skimp on these ingredients. None of these ingredients can be substituted other than the vegan one. So you put the salt and pepper right in there, just like that. It's coming together so nicely. Then, after the salt and pepper, so you blend it, but we're not done with it. There's 2 stages to it, 2 steps. So we're gonna take it over here and blend it. So then, after it's completely blended, we add the sour cream last. So it's 1 cup, I always say 1 cup good sour cream too. And, hold on, there we go. And this just kind of thickens it up. This makes it more like a dip. It's pretty runny with just the mayonnaise and the lemon juice, basically. So you add the sour cream last. And my daughter Nicole's gonna be so excited. She doesn't know I'm making this, but this is her favorite dip in the whole world. She uses this on every salad, everything. So, I wish you could smell this. It's so divine. Okay, so then this goes back on the blender. And that's it. Green Goddess dressing and dip, made with fresh ingredients. It's great for summer. Looks like this. Smells amazing, and it's my favorite thing. So I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Oh, and guess what? Okay, I forgot one thing. I don't know how I forgot it, but 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, sorry guys, I gotta add my garlic. I gotta do it one more time. 2 cloves of garlic. Well, I knew there was something missing. So hold on, I'm gonna put that in there. Can't forget the garlic. Now I did peel and pre-chopped the garlic so it would blend better, but okay, now it's right. Now it's right. And all I do, look at this, English cucumber, chop this up, or red bell pepper. This would make it great if you're having guests over, when we're allowed to have guests over again, or you have your family over for a summer barbecue. Or this is a great thing to bring if you're going to a party. Instead of bringing some wine, bring some vegetables and dip. Makes a great addition to any party. So cheers, you guys. Make some green goddess dressing, and let me know what you think of it, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, love you guys. Bye.